you a business owner that's getting sick and tired of having to try to keep up with all things marketing? And you happen to be a business owner here in the Monterey or San Francisco Bay Area? Well, you're in the right place. Because today we are in the Salinas region and we kick things off with talking with what I consider to be one of the most forward-thinking business owners in this area. And we also discuss why you need to do your first Instagram reel, the number one problem that we see business owners make when they drop their first video, some online finds, and so much more. So stay tuned. We're in the Salinas area today. Let's go. Okay, we are on our way to go meet Julio Gil. He's the owner of Central Coast Sign and Design here in Salinas, and he is super creative, super innovative, and we want to talk with him because he's super tapped into the pulse of the business community here. And he shares with us one thing that I'd say a majority of business owners overlook, and it's the one thing that could really turn around your business here in this economy that is COVID-19. So get ready, we're going in to talk with Julio.
Yeah, I think there's always a couple examples here and there. You know, we've seen a lot of businesses that are doing really good in a time when, you know, a lot of people are scared and people are not knowing what's going on. You know, you have these businesses that are just breaking records and doing really well. I got one of our clients, and he's a dealership, and we've been working with him since almost day one when we opened our offices, and we're doing a lot of stuff for him. And he says, you know, we were not knowing what we were going to do. We were thinking about, you know, maybe slowing down a little bit. And one of their employees gave an idea on something they should do, something they should try, and they actually implemented it. And he noticed that decision, an idea that an employee gave, was something that just, I mean, their sales went up. They're breaking records on their car sales, right? Which is something that, you know, he didn't anticipate. You know, one thing to credit, you know, for him is just listening to your employees. And I think we try to do it here as much as possible. When we have our meetings, we always say, look, think of something. You know, you're going to think of something that I'm not. You know, I'm here, I'm the owner, and I think I'm our leader, and that's what I do. But we want ideas from our employees to come up with something and suggest something. And you never know. You can, as an employee, give an idea or give a suggestion that might change the direction of the company and make it have record sales, which is pretty amazing.
Okay, for all you Instagram users out there, you have to try out the new Reels option. You go to start a new story, and then you'll see it at the bottom. You can toggle between stories and Reels. Check out the Reels. We did a test, and on our first one, it was 4x, 4 times the amount of views that our same story got. So we have all the details below from a great resource called later.com. It's a step-by-step basically walkthrough as to how to set it up. So check it out. Okay, so you're probably curious what the number one mistake is that most business owners make when it comes to creating their first video, and maybe their subsequent videos. It's their distribution. You may have the greatest, most fantastic video in the world, but it's the distribution. Sit down, think, pencil out the distribution list. All the places that you may not think of that you have access to. It might be a chamber e-newsletter, of course your social media, of course your email newsletter, but maybe you have strategic partners that it could go into, private Facebook groups, you name it, but make that list, and that's where the magic happens. Okay, so you've probably heard me say, do video, do video, do video. Well, I want to give you a quick glimpse into some of the gear that I recommend. And that is pure and simple. Having great audio is key, and that is to use the Rode Go microphone. These are wireless, and they can clip right on. There's a microphone built in, or you can attach a wire, the lav mic, the little black microphone that you see a lot of people route up their shirt. You can do that too. But in essence, these are very, very affordable. They're $200 for one microphone, and basically normally they're $400 to $700, and this is a very good company. So below this video is a link to so you can get them. So enjoy, and can't wait to see your next video with great audio. Excuse the construction noise around me, and before I head into the Bearded Bean behind me for some food, I want you to check out two people on Instagram, two business owners that I think are stellar. You need to check them out and really get a feel for how it's done right. So, enjoy.
What's up, guys? About to sign our life away to the ether, to the business ether, opening up our second spot.
I've signed all the pages and there aren't any pages missing.
Starting from the farmer's market.
Hey guys, we're over here at El Corn Flu and here's our line already. So today we have 4 flavors. We have churro, we have strawberry, we have cookies and cream, and chocolate with sprinkles. And today we have something special. We have our vegan pink cortadillo cake that you would normally see at any panaderia that you go to. So this is our new item. Come check it out. See you guys soon.
One wipe right before I put the fish onto the grill. There's going to be oil on the fish as well. When it sticks on, that's going to stop it from sticking. We're going to just do a simple grill of a beautiful piece of salmon, obviously, and a couple collars, which is one of my favorite things to grill. There's fat all the way into the tail. These serrations right here are the fat that's actually in the fish's body that it's storing up before it goes to spawn. And that is the part that's really good for you and also makes this fish taste insane.
Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you got some value out of this episode. If you did, be sure to tell your friends, tell the world, but especially your neighboring small business owners so they don't miss out. I want to thank our presenting sponsor, your local small business development center, the Santa Cruz one. You can find it at santacruzsbdc.org. If you want to find yours here in Monterey County, it's calcoastalsbdc.com. And if you're elsewhere, if you're anywhere throughout Northern California, just go to asksbdc.com to find yours. So before I go, gotta plug bryceroot.com, all sorts of resources, podcasts, vlogs, everything that you need, including video gear to make it big with your small business. So hang in there and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.